Begin today with Lulu Bird from Global Thought, who will present An Algorithm for America, TikTok Mythologies of the United States Presidential Election.
By 2016, Barack Obama had earned a reputation as the nation's first social media president. But as he's preparing to vacate the White House, he questions the impact that social media has had on politics, saying, in this new media ecosystem, everything is true and nothing is. Since then, the belief that social media helps to drive political polarization has become mainstream. My thesis investigates how TikTok media is framing the presidential election, and really this is a question about how medium affects messages, as political discourse is nothing new, but algorithm-driven communication environments certainly are. So I knew in order to understand this new medium, I would need to understand an old one as well, television advertising. I began my research by looking at political advertisements from past elections, and I saw that regardless of party affiliation, these ads tend to use similar strategies, a combination of issue-based approaches discussing policy outcomes and image-based approaches using symbols to make emotional appeals to viewers. These ads also construct caricature personas of candidates, juxtaposing them to evidence preference. Now, as I moved to an analysis of TikTok media using keywords to search the platform, I came away with two main conclusions. First, that while conservative media looked similar to television advertising, liberal media seemed to be adapting itself to the medium, using memes, internet cultural references, and encouraging parasocial audience interaction where users perceive a personal relationship with a mass media figure. Now, political advertising is banned on TikTok, meaning users can't target specific audiences. And so political messages, which rely on a target audience with a contextual preconception, reach users through the algorithm. Enter my second conclusion, context collapse, where users outside the target audience are implicated in the viewership and through the comments section challenge the narratives presented. Now, one of the common arguments about polarization is that algorithms show users content they agree with, creating these information echo chambers. But TikTok's algorithm is structured to show users content that will keep them on the platform for as long as possible. Sometimes this is content that they explicitly disagree with and will watch anyway. When this occurs, context collapses, and what develops is not the unanimous agreement that begets polarization, but rather potentially constructive discourse. Thank you.